Ever wish acrylic edges were just that tad cleaner? Well, you're in the right place. We'll go over 5 different finishes for acrylic and perspex. Let's get going. At number 5, we've got the Dremel. Using the Dremel, we can create custom shapes and rounded corners. Just be sure to hold the Dremel firmly and use a steady speed. Next up is the router table. It can create a nice, beveled edge. Again, be firm and use a steady speed for the best results. At number 3 is the sander. Sanding will create a nice clean finish. It's mainly used for preparing for the final finishes. And there's no need to remove the protective cover of the acrylic while sanding either. Just be slow and steady, and sand out all the bumps and continue until the desired effect is reached. And then either use an air gun or a wipe to remove the debris. In at number 2, we've got torching. This will achieve near the cleanest finish possible. It's very similar to that of a laser cutter. Torch after sanding for great results. Just keep in mind that it's very important to remove all of the protective cover before torching, even if it's not flammable. This will cause the material to wrinkle or burn. Employ a steady back and forward motion until you've achieved a finish you're happy with. And finally, we've got the polish wheel. The final step of all legendary finishes. It's pretty straightforward. Just polish until you're happy. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you learned something. And be sure to like and subscribe, so you know when we finish and polish some more videos. And now thinking about it,